We really need to talk about the biggest shift in e-commerce since the invention of the online cart. You have noticed it, right? People are visiting websites less and are asking AI agents or AI chatbots more. If a customer asks ChatGPT or Gemini, find me the best luxury oud perfume in Riyadh for under 500 riyals, does the AI send them a link? Or does the AI just buy it for them? Right now, the AI hits a wall. But that changes today with UCP. Hi, I'm Alicia, and if you want your brand to survive the AI revolution, you need to understand what Shopify and Google just built together. UCP stands for Universal Commerce Protocol. Think of it like a translator. Right now, every e-commerce store speaks a different language. If an AI wants to check your inventory or prices, it has to guess, and it's messy. UCP creates a standard language. It allows an AI agent or an AI chat like Google Gemini or ChatGPT to talk directly to your Shopify backend to do three things. Number one, discover products. They know exactly what you sell. Number two is to check your live inventory. It allows the agent to check if its stock is available at Dubai warehouse maybe right now, and also execute checkout, actually placing the order without a human even visiting your site. UCP is a standardized interface that allows large language models or LLMs to interact with your commerce backend. Previously, AI was just guessing based on a cached HTML. That's slow and even inaccurate. UCP changes this by standardizing the data exchange using specific JSON schemas. Think of UCP as an AI wrapper that sits on top of Shopify. It exposes your product catalog, real-time pricing, and inventory states in a format that requires zero hallucinations from the AI. It transforms your store from a visual website into a structured data source. Now, here is the main thing that you need to know. RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. When a customer asks an AI a question, the AI needs fresh data. It cannot rely on training data from the last year. It uses RAG to fetch live data from your store. If your Shopify store is UCP compliant, the AI can perform a real-time API call to check if that particular product the user is asking is actually in stock at your Dubai Mall branch. If you aren't using UCP, the AI just sees a black box and will skip your store for a competitor who provides that transparency. Let's take another example. Right now, if ChatGPT wants to buy a pair of shoes from your site, it has to guess how to click your buttons, so it's just clunky, right? UCP allows your Shopify store to talk directly to AI agents or LLMs. It tells them, here is my stock, here is my price, and here is exactly how you process a payment. For us, here in the Gulf, this is really massive. Since UAE and Saudi Arabia has one of the highest mobile and AI adoption rates in the world, if your store speaks this particular language that an AI can understand, you get the sale. And if your store doesn't speak this, the AI agent goes to your competitor who does. Now, why should a business owner in Riyadh or Dubai care about this? There are mainly two reasons. Number one is trust, and number two, friction. We really know the pain of local payments, right? Integrating MADA, KNet, or dealing with cash on delivery, verification skills, conversion rates. UCP is designed to standardize this issue. Imagine an AI agent that already knows your customer's preferred payment method, whether it's Apple Pay or a saved card, and handles the checkout securely in the background. No more redirecting to 3 different payment gateways and losing the customer. Google and Shopify are rolling this out now. They are calling it agentic storefronts. This means your products can be discovered and brought directly inside Google search, which is the AI mode, and Gemini without the customer even visiting your site. So you all know that our customers in KSA and UAE are already using AI to make decisions. Soon, they will also use AI to make transactions as well. Imagine a customer in Jeddah telling their phone, order my usual coffee pots. If your store supports UCP, the AI places the order instantly. If you don't, you lose that sale to a competitor who supports UCP. So most of you might have this question, doesn't Shopify handle this? Yes, the infrastructure is there, but the data integrity is on you. We see this all the time at our agency. We audit a client store and find their meta fields are unstructured, their variant logic is broken, their JSON tags are missing. If you feed garbage data into the UCP, the AI agents will reject your store. To win at agentic commerce, you need a strict standardized taxonomy for your catalog. To become ready for this agentic e-commerce, you actually require re-architecting your data, cleaning up your legacy ERP connections, and setting up the right API infrastructure. This is really complex engineering. It's not for beginners. So at our agency, we specialize in this specific transition for GCC enterprise brands. We don't just fix website, we build the infrastructure that allows you to scale in the AI era. We work with actually select group of merchants who are ready to invest in their future architecture. We help them map out the strategy, clean the data, and deploy the AI agentic commerce protocols. So if you're a Shopify store owner, make sure your Shopify store is ready for a zero-click future. In 2026 and beyond, customers are using AI agents to buy products, bypassing the traditional search engines entirely. To capture these sales, your store must speak the language of AI. The era of agentic commerce is beginning. This transition is very complex and it involves strategy, data architecture, and a deep understanding of the Shopify ecosystem. Now, if you are an enterprise merchant in the GCC and you want to position your brand for agentic e-commerce and AI, we are here to help you navigate this future. Click the link in the description to go to our contact page and send us a message about your business, and let's see how we can help you lead the market. Thank you for watching.